Hi everyone. Good evening. I just want to talk about something. I'm sorry, I'm looking for where to place the phone so we can talk. Guys, recently my phone it's got damage though, like not really damage like that, but the the screen and the casing of my iPhone. I'm using XR. The casing of my iPhone got damaged. So when I asked for how much I'll be able to fix a new screen, I was told it's 35,000 here in Abuja. But in Lagos it's 27, 28, something like that. So I'm still looking for how to save up so I can fix the phone. As you can see, my natural hair. I did this myself. I played the hair myself. So you can see that my hand is full of talent. Happy Sunday, everyone. How are you spending your Sunday? I just finished taking my bath. The heat was too much. If you notice, I'm white because I did not cream myself. I can't even cream myself in this weather. Huh? So I just want to thank everyone, all my followers. I want to appreciate your good work and your love and your prayers as well. Please, so pray for us, newly graduates. We are looking for work. Please keep on praying for me. Thank you so much for supporting my page. Thank you for always being here with